5 stretches daily and watch your body transform. Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more flexible, and pain-free. What if I told you that just 5 simple stretches a day could unlock your body's hidden potential? Your posture will improve, your muscles will loosen, and even your stress levels will drop dramatically. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your body with just a few minutes of stretching every day. Build up. Why stretching matters. We often think of stretching as something only athletes do, but in reality, it's the key to a healthier, more energized life. Think about it, our bodies are designed to move, but modern life keeps us sitting for hours, leading to stiffness, poor circulation, and even chronic pain. The good news? You don't need expensive equipment or long workouts. Just a few strategic stretches can reverse years of stiffness and give you a brand new body. First stretch. The first stretch is a game changer for your spine, shoulders, and back. It's called the cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours, arch your back as you inhale, lifting your head and tailbone. Then, round your spine as you exhale, tucking your chin to your chest. This stretch is like a massage for your spine, releasing tension, improving posture, and even boosting digestion. Within days, you'll feel your back pain ease, and your posture naturally straighten. Second stretch. Flexibility boost. Next, let's target the hip flexor stretch. If you spend a lot of time sitting, your hip flexors tighten, causing lower back pain and reduced mobility. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge, keeping the back leg straight. Feel that deep stretch in your hip? That's your body thanking you. Do this daily, and you'll not only walk taller but also feel less discomfort in your lower back. Third stretch. Shoulder and neck relief. Ever feel like your shoulders carry all your stress? That's because they do. The shoulder and chest opener is perfect for unlocking tight muscles. Stand tall, clasp your hands behind your back, and gently lift your arms while opening your chest. This simple move improves posture, relieves shoulder stiffness, and even helps you breathe deeper. Within a week, you'll feel the difference. Your upper body will feel lighter, and those stubborn knots will start to melt away. Quick question: how many of you actually take time to stretch every day? Be honest. Comment below if you do, or if this video is the motivation you needed. Now, let's move on to the next stretch. Fourth stretch. Leg power. For those of you who wake up feeling stiff or struggle with leg cramps, this next one is a must. The standing forward bend is incredible for your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Simply fold forward from your hips, reaching toward your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them, just hang there, letting gravity do the work. This move increases blood flow, improves flexibility, and reduces lower back pain. Over time, you'll notice how much further you can stretch, and your legs will feel stronger and more flexible. Fifth stretch. Full body reset. Finally, let's talk about the spinal twist, a stretch that benefits your entire body. Sit cross-legged, place one hand on your knee, and twist your torso while looking over your shoulder. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. This stretch relieves back tension, improves digestion, and enhances spinal mobility. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. Now, imagine doing these 5 stretches every single day. Picture yourself moving more freely, standing taller, and feeling younger. The best part? It only takes a few minutes, but the results will last a lifetime. Here's a challenge for you. Try these stretches for 1 week and let me know how you feel in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs a body transformation. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-boosting tips. Your body is designed to move, give it what it needs, and it will reward you with energy, flexibility, and strength. See you in the next video.